We need to train the army now. IP Robo will help us with it.
IP Robo is really helpful and intelligent. He will be a good coach.
But we need to teach him programming languages. That would help IP Robo train the army.
I can help with that, but I'm not that aware of programming languages.
I'll explain the programming languages along with this upcoming lesson.